Is this what happens when a chick touches you for the first time in your life? And why does this woman seem like she has seen something she shouldn't have seen? Yeah, we're doing movie reviews too. This one is called Virana. I'd call it the scariest movie in the history of mankind, but that spot is taken up by Antrum, which is not a very scary movie, by the way. I watched it.
एक जवान औरत जो गांव की सीमा से दूर वीराने में परदेसियों को मिलती है और अपनी जवानी के जाल में फंसाकर कहीं ले जाती है और उनका खून चूसकर छोड़ देती है।
So people do die for a coochie, huh? Interesting.
मगर आप जानबूझकर खतरा मोल लेना क्यों चाहते हैं?
हमारे बुजुर्गों ने हमेशा अपनी जानें खतरे में डालकर इंसानों की सेवा की है छोटी बहू। मेरा भाई समीर जरूर कामयाब होकर लौटेगा।
Dude, then why don't you go? Why the fuck are you over here? What is your fucking purpose?
ये कमरा तो खूब सजा हुआ है।
ये मेरा बेडरूम है।
आपका बेडरूम वाकई बहुत खूबसूरत है। ये शौक हम जाम में नहीं, पानी में डूबकर पूरा करेंगे।
He knows this bitch kills people, but he still wants to have sex with her. Like this is a test and he knows everything about it.
खत्म कर दो इसे। तुम्हारा जिस्म खत्म हुआ, लेकिन तुम्हारी रूह मेरे कब्जे में है। मैं तुम्हें एक नया जिस्म दूंगा, ठाकुर महेंद्र प्रताप की बेटी का जिस्म।
Why is this guy so obsessed with getting this soul a new body? Like what good does it do for you? There's like no use of you doing all this shit just to get a demon out, you know? So her daughter just screams inside this thing and now she's become the demon. Like things are still fine, but the characters they introduce next are, I don't know, lame.
एक बहुत बड़ा तूफान आया ठाकुर साहब, एक भयानक हादसा हुआ। वीराने में मुझे ये बच्ची मिली।
I don't know, dude. Someone who talks like this just loses my trust immediately. And when a guy who just saved the life of your daughter comes in, what do? Keep him as a servant. Like, I'm really glad that you saved my child, but here, you can do the dishes for me, man. I owe you this. Just sounds bad, dude.
जास्मीन को आपने एक नई जिंदगी दी है, उसकी देखभाल भी अब आप ही करेंगे।
मैं
देखिए,
अगर आपकी यही इच्छा है तो मैं यहीं रहूंगा।
And the best dialogue from the movie goes to this.
बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है।
बहुत जल्दी में हो मेरी पुदीने की चटनी, जरा एक कप चाय मेरे लिए बना दो।
Dude, this is like the most genuine pickup line that I've ever heard.
ठाकुर महेंद्र प्रताप की भतीजी साइला चंदन नगर के लिए रवाना हो चुकी है, लेकिन वो हवेली नहीं पहुंचेगी। उसे रास्ते से उठा लो।
So Jasmine is all grown up and shit, right? And her other sister is about to return to this place. And the Baba knows that. But he's like, fuck this, I'm not gonna let her come back. But he wants people's lives, right? Why would you not want more people to kill? It just makes no sense.
जीत गए पत्थरों ने।
आगे तो रास्ता ही बंद है।
अंकल, मैंने आपका क्या बिगाड़ा अंकल?
So the Baba sends a guy to kill them, and the best way he thought to kill them is place some boulders on the road. How are other people supposed to get over it then? And also, use knives and swords. Like, what the fuck are you thinking? Wrestling with this giant isn't really practical, you know?
प्लीज मुझे बचा लीजिए।
लेकिन मेम साहब, यहाँ तो पुरानी कब्रों के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है। लगता है वो चला गया।
Excuse you, but there's a guy waiting to kill you both with his bare hands. But romance is like on the top of priority list now? Sure.
देखती क्या है? भाग, भाग यहाँ से।
She laughed on his pee-pee. Yeah, this is really going great so far.
तुम तो बहुत अच्छे मैकेनिक हो।
मैंने बड़ी बड़ी गाड़ियाँ ठीक कर दी हैं मेम साहब।
अच्छा, तो आज रात पुरानी हवेली के पीछे झील के किनारे आ जाना, तुमसे एक गाड़ी की मरम्मत करवानी।
Use that next time for a sex proposal, you virgins.
आग और बारूद का मिलाप बड़ा खतरनाक होता है।
जवानी का तूफान उससे भी ज्यादा खतरनाक होता है।
Killing and all I can get behind, okay? But why the fuck do you need to smash before that? Is that a part of your job description? I don't understand, dude. Sex is used as a bait for people to fall in the trap. You shouldn't need to do it. This really seems like a bad plan to start with. I don't know about you guys, but if my dad sees me sneaking in the house, he'd choke my neck with his knee till I tell him the truth about where I was.
मेरे कपड़े गीले हैं।
ये तो और भी अच्छा है, गाड़ी धुल जाएगी।
What do people smoke when they write these lines?
पास में एक रुमाल मिला है खून से सना हुआ, जिसमें आपके खानदान का निशान बना हुआ है।
So her dad finds out that she was the one who killed this guy, and then she does this.
रात के अंधेरे में वीरानों में क्यों भटकती रहती हो? इन वीरानों में तुम्हें क्या मिलता है? क्या है इन वीरानों में, बताओ बेटे।
मुझे वीराना पसंद है, समझे?
Is this not clear that something's wrong?
ओके डॉक्टर।
रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ, टोटली रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ। मतलब अपने हाथ पांव बिल्कुल ढीले छोड़ दो, अपने दिमाग पर कोई भी बोझ मत रखो।
Alright, she kills people. So now she's with the psychologist. What if she kills the psychologist? This fucker can't even run.
ओके डॉक्टर।
रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ, टोटली रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ। मतलब अपने हाथ पांव बिल्कुल ढीले छोड़ दो, अपने दिमाग पर कोई भी बोझ मत रखो।
मार डालूंगी, मैं सबको मार डालूंगी। मैं ठाकुर महेंद्र प्रताप और उसके सारे खानदान को मार डालूंगी सबको।
ये नामुमकिन है, क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
His dad has now confirmed that she is the one who's possessed, right? So he just lets her do whatever she wants. What a fucking loser, dude. These two people are in love. So what does the guy do? What every guy does, hit on the hotter one, because why not? Alright, so the doctor is gone now. I didn't like him either. Who's next? Oh yes, Shakti Kapoor. Fuck nepotism, dude. Is this demon secretly the blue hoodie guy?
छोड़ दो, मैं कहती हूँ छोड़ दो, भगवान के लिए छोड़ दो उसे।
These two are made prisoners by the Baba. So what does he do? He releases the dad. Also, if you want to take revenge, dude, kill him. You feed him every day. This guy even shaves his beard time to time, dude. Why would you take all that expense on you? Why would you give this fool the keys when you know he was almost killed by the guy? But whatever, man, it doesn't even matter at this point. Bro, call the cops. Why would you guys go in there when you know there's so many people? Like, at least गांव वालों को बुला लो यार. They defeated the bad guys and it ends. So if you wanna watch it, don't watch it. Please like and comment for reach, and also subscribe if you want some paneer or chicken chili. Like, depends on you guys.
Why are you crying?
जब मैं बोलता हूँ साफ, मैं उधर से हेट करता हूँ।